This is the perfect Halloween kit. It's a SFX makeup kit from Voila house and it's so easy to apply. The variety of items in this kit is truly exceptional. So whether you're a makeup pro or a newbie like me, this SFX makeup kit is a must-have. The kit comes with a scar wax, 6 color brush on face body paint, scar oil, liquid latex. So there's 2 types of liquid latex to meet the requirements for different skin colors. Fake blood, stable sponge, spatula, and brush. So time to put this SFX makeup to test by applying it to my face and discovering its true quality. This liquid latex is an absolute must-have for anyone venturing into the world of special effects. Its flexibility and versatility are unmatched. Whether you're creating realistic wounds, scars, or intricate textures, this liquid latex gets the job done with ease. One of the standout features of liquid latex is its durability. Once it sets, it stays in place, ensuring that your SFX makeup lasts throughout the day or night. So now I'm applying fake blood, also deserves praise for its long-lasting performance. It flows smoothly and evenly, allowing for precise control over the desired effect. It replicates the appearance of real blood with uncanny precision. The depth of color and viscosity create convincing and gory effect that are perfect for simulating wounds, bites, and all manner of gruesome scenes. Applying the color's brush paint is a breeze. The texture is just right, making it effortless to blend and layer to achieve the desired effect. Even for someone like me who's not a professional makeup artist, it's incredibly user-friendly. This kit is so well made and high quality. It's filled with everything I need to create professional-looking special effects makeup. I can't wait to use it for Halloween. The best part is that it's easy to apply. I don't need any makeup or artistic skills. Are you ready for Halloween? This is the perfect makeup kit for you. Whether you're going for a zombie look or a bloody bride, this kit has got you covered. With high-quality ingredients, it's perfect for all skin types and lasts all night long. I'm amazed by the quality of scar wax. It's not only easy to shape and mold but also stay put throughout the day. So here's a sneak peek of my Halloween look in progress. I just tried out the SFX makeup kit and I'm already blown away. The quality is top-notch and the fake blood isn't drying out.